Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give two integer numbers, and then the program will determine whether where between the two given number is the highest value, or they are both equals in terms of numerical value. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for support in my channel by subscribing, watching my videos, sharing my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this type of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Basically guys, I'm using C++ as my integrated development environment. So we have here sharp includes tjo.h for input output, and then line number 3 we have here the comment. In C language, we are using slash asterisk bigger between two numbers in C. And then number 5, int main, it is the starting point and ending point of execution in every C program. To begin, in A and B we have two variables declaration that are variable A and B, which we declare with 0 value, numerical value. Printf new line, printf bigger between two numbers in C. When line number 9 new line, line number 10 and 11 we are asking the user to give two integer numbers A and B. Printf new line, and then line number 14 we have your comparison. If A greater than B, the largest number is A, else if B is greater than A, the largest value is B, else if both numbers are the same, we have here the result, both are equal numbers. And then end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, and then return 0, return to the operating system, and close. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two website. Let us compile and run. Let's see, 4 and 5. 5 is the largest number. End of program. Another example, 31 and 3. 34 is the largest number. End of program. How about they have the same in terms of numerical value? Let's say 34, both are equals numbers. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video about bigger between two numbers in C programming language. Thank you so much for watching guys. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.